So, had a bit of a problem with the camera the last week. It's decided to delete all of the footage that I've done, so I've got no update this week. However, thought I'd do a little run over of where we're at and what we're doing, and how I was going to say how close, but how far it is. So for the most part, the engine bay is pretty much done. Had some fun getting ECU to sit because we're not running the battery in the front here, but she's all pretty much in. Not overly happy with how tight the heater and pipes are to the exhaust there, but we've done our best in protecting it from the heat. Rest of the car is, well, stripped. At least it's back on its wheels. Got new arches to go on. They've actually arrived today, but I'm a long way off those. Currently working on getting, unfortunately, a piece of Corsa, but some electric power steering in. We kind of got it in position last night. So that's my job for today, is to make some bracketry and whatnot up. There's going to be a fair amount of torque on that column now, so it would have needed beefing up anyway. So, and then I've got that mess of wiring to sort out, although it shouldn't be too bad, there's not much there. And then what we got to do, yeah, that's the next thing, is these are coming out along with the mounts, and they're going to get them down a bit lower on the floor. I'm a bit concerned about head height in here with the cage that's going in, and they're not known to be the strongest seat mounts in the world, especially these box ones on the outside. Apparently they have a habit of ripping off, which I don't particularly like the idea of. So that's where we're at with that. Rear suspension's got to be done at some point. I've got a Zara beam here, which needs to be stripped off to get the rear arms, and then those rear arms with some much longer, much fatter bars, torsion bars going on the back. I've got a 306 24mm anti-roll bar to go on it as well, so fingers crossed. It's gonna be good fun. Anyway, apologies for the loss of footage. It's a bit annoying. I will get a video of it running at some point because it is running. So there it is for now. Cheers.